Leave a pause or anything?
Hello everybody, welcome to Aspen 2 quiz. I've got a quiz team for you to introduce you to in a moment. We're going to be doing a maths quiz today and then we're going to carry it on through the week with other quiz questions. We would really like you to join in. So there are some rules for this quiz. This is that the quiz master will ask the questions, the quiz master will make the decision on who gets the point and who's going to win, and the quiz master's decision is final. But today I'm the quiz master. When I ask a question, the first person to buzz will be asked to give their answer. It will be my decision and my decision alone who answers. If there is any calling out, you will be instantly disqualified and everybody else on the team in the other teams will get a point. So no calling out until I ask. At home you can join in with this quiz. You could just pause the video and see if you can work out the answer. And let us know how many questions out of the 10 for maths that you get right. All right, let me introduce you to the teams. There they are. We've got an animal themed quiz going on today. So let's see who is. Let's see who's going to get the winning number of points. We're going to go for question
Was you not going to introduce us, Mr. Bussett?
You want me to introduce you? I don't really want to introduce you. Right,
It needs no explanation.
why don't you introduce yourself? You introduce yourself,
Shocking.
and then Mr. Rowland, and we can go around in a complete circle if you like.
Can we start with Gemma?
No, we'll start with you, Mrs. Morgan.
Mrs. Morgan, the horse.
Mr. Rowland.
Mr. Rowland, the cockerel, and I am going to smash the maths.
Mrs. Cunnington, the cow.
I'm probably worried.
And this is Gemma. What are you, Gemma? Chicken. No, not chicken. It's a chicken.
She's a dog.
Horse.
She's a dog.
Dog.
Crying dog.
Dog. She's a crying dog because it's all got a bit.
That was question one.
Right, should we go for question one now?
Yeah, we're ready. We're ready.
A bit of chaos.
Ready.
Right, question one is coming up. Remember, don't shout out the answer. Press the buzzer. Here's question one. Oh, that was the horse. I'm going for the horse. Mrs. Morgan.
Is it 5?
Is the answer 5? What do you think at home? Let's see. What's the answer?
I've got buzzer issues.
The answer is indeed 5.
Are we keeping a tally?
I'm keeping the tally.
Thank you.
Just let that question go off the screen. Here we go. Are you ready for question number 2? Here it comes. Question number 2. Who's going to be the first to buzz?
You're having a laugh.
Question number 4. Don't disappear question number 2. It's gone. Don't Let's bring question number 2 back. There it is. Question number 2. 2 times 3. Mr. Rowland, your buzzer didn't go, but you was furiously banging the desk faster than anybody else.
Thank you very much, Quizmaster. I believe the answer to be 6.
Shall we see what the answer is?
Come on.
Oh, I feel like we need a drum roll. The answer is indeed 6. Mr. Rowland, you get a point.
Mr. Rowland.
Thank
The
you.
questions are going to get slightly tougher
Oh.
as we go. Let me just point out,
Bring it on.
I just want to point out at this moment in time that I am keeping an eye on who is bashing, and if you bash before the questions are, I'm going to stop it.
He's got his hand
Right.
on
And he has got his hand right on the thing, but so long as he knows the answer, I'm not going to give you any pause for you to work out the question. You've got to know it before you buzz.
Don't you worry, I'm on it. I'm on it.
You've got to know it before you buzz. So here we go. Let's come back to you so we can all check at home. Do you know we could do like a VAR and rewind the video later to see actually if you get it right?
So if my buzzer's not working, can I make a cockle-doodle-doo verbally?
Yes, please do.
Thank you.
Please do. Right, question number 3. Here it comes. It's getting progressively harder. Question number 3.
Cock-a-doodle-doo!
You was definitely quickest. A bit worried about whether you know the answer though or not, Mr. Rowland.
All over it.
23 plus 5 is
28, sir.
It's 28. Is it right? Let's have a look. What's going to come? 23 plus 5, I wonder if you think it's 28 at home.
I didn't get a chance to read that question. It's very fast.
It
Do we
is
need a pause?
28.
I'll try and do my buzzer then. Sorry.
Do we need a pause? Right, I'm
For
telling
home, I think we need a pause.
they can pause
I
it at
didn't
home,
even read that.
and there is some time.
Okay.
However, the questions are going to get harder. You will
Okay.
need time to read them in a
seconds.
minute. Right, so if you've got 28 at home, then give yourself a point. Obviously, you can pause it between the questions and between when Mr. Rowland asks. That is fine. Right, are we ready? Question number 4. Here we go. Question 4 is coming up. Question 4, here it comes. Mr. Rowland, what's that over there? Oh, what was that? That was Gemma with the dog. What's the? Oh, I've lost the question. Hold on. 281 plus 17.
298.
298. You think? I wonder what you think at home. Here we go. Let's see the answer. 297. Right. Question number 5 is coming up. We're going to be at a halfway point and then we'll review the scores. We'll review the scores. So, are you ready?
Ready.
Question number 5 is, you'll need your pen for this one, can you draw a circle? Oh. Mrs. Morgan.
It's more of an oval.
Right.
I got too excited.
Hold your circles
Right.
up.
It's not perfect.
Right, hold them
It's
up,
not
hold them
perfect.
Oh,
up.
that's quite good.
Let's have a look at the answer.
How's yours looking, Mr.
I
Wood?
think Mrs. Cunnington gets that one.
That's exactly right.
Yeah, it's a very good circle.
Right, there's your answer.
Mine's like
But I think, I think Mrs. Cunnington's got the best circle.
Yay.
I was too eager.
Here we go. So, at the halfway point of our quiz, out in a very slender lead, all on his own, is Mr. Rowland with 2 points. Yeah. Give him a clap. Give him a clap. And that means that in joint last place,
Joint second.
second.
joint last place is everybody else. Well done, everybody else.
Bring on round 2.
Right, bring on the second half of the quiz.
Come on, buzz.
Here it comes, ready? Question. That wasn't a question. Who buzzed?
No, I'm not. I'm sort of moving around.
Question number 6. They're going to get more difficult. I know what you're thinking, some of you, particularly in A5. Here we go. If my 4 friends and I.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Okay, Mr. Rowland, you pass first. My 4 friends and I want to share some popcorn. We've counted, and there are 2,675 kernels of corn. Can we share this equally? Explain how you know. Mr. Rowland.
So the answer in 2 parts, sir, is no, you can't share it equally. And because the last number on there, meaning the entire number, is odd. So you can't divide an odd amount between an equal amount of people.
That was a very quick way that you did the division, mate.
I
Did you
think
give us the
you
answer?
are wrong.
If
Can
it
you give
ends
us
in
the
5,
answer?
you can't divide it
because you-
equally.
yeah.
Oh my God, I've done it. I know what you've done, Gary. You absolute no.
Anybody else like to buzz in? Mr. Rowland, you are wrong.
Oh,
Yes! Because
You moved your buzzer, it wasn't it?
Oh
yeah.
This is Gordon.
Oh!
no! What Gary and me?
Oh.
My 4 friends and I. So that would be sharing between 5.
Yeah,
Which
between
would
five.
share equally.
I did that too. I fell for that. Easy question.
Rookie error.
Right,
Well done, that's a great answer.
so Mr. Rowland loses a point, I've decided.
I mean, if we were to recap right now.
Right, hold on before we recap. So you were right. 2,675
Oh.
ends in the number 5. all numbers that end in 5 or 0 are multiples of 5, and therefore can be shared equally between 5 people. You and 4 friends equals 5 people. Watch out for that, because that might come up again a little later.
Very good.
So, Mr. Ronan, you lose a point. Mrs. Morgan is keen for me to recap the scores. I wonder why. So, in joint last place would be Gemma, Mrs. Cunnington, and Mr. Roland, which means out on her own, scoring 2 points is Mrs. Morgan. Well done. And it all can change on each question. That changed pretty rapidly.
All right.
Here we go. Question 7 is coming up, and as I say, they're staying tricky. Question 7. I need to be at the train station at 7:32, and it takes me 46 minutes to walk. What time do I need to leave home? Mr. Rowland.
6:46.
6:46. That was very quick mental maths. Let's see if you are correct. Let's see. Here comes the answer. You are correct.
Oh, that's very
You
quick.
need to leave home at 6:46. I am very impressed with the speed of your answering. I wonder if at home you managed to get that as well. Here we go. Question number 8. Question number 8 says, I have 3 friends and I want to buy, or I'll come back.
Didn't read it.
I have 3 friends and I want to buy us each a packet of sweets costing 50. Oh, that's not the right question. Anyway, my answer's wrong because I wrote the wrong number. And I want to buy each a packet of sweets costing 50p each. I have £2. Can I buy enough?
Yes.
Gemma, you buzz first. Yes, can you explain why?
Because if you divide it by 4, it's 50p each.
Divide what by 4?
£2.
Right, okay. Yeah, so I'm going to give you a point for the answer, but I'm going to ask a bonus question in here because I made an error with my numbers. So the packets of sweets don't actually cost 50p.
It's misleading.
You still get your point. Question 8 is still this point, but as a bonus point,
Yeah.
the sweets actually cost 59p. And I want you to explain exactly whether or not you have enough money to buy the sweets or not. Go on then.
No, you don't.
Why?
Because you are 36p over if you was to buy 4 lots of sweets.
Okay,
You are 36p short.
so we haven't fallen for the I and 3 friends being just 3. We've worked out
we
that's
haven't.
4 people. I don't know what my answer says because I've got the question wrong.
Have we got a boo button?
It was meant to be 59. See, I'd answered the question as if I got it right. So 4, you got 4 friends, you plus 3 friends equals 4. 4 times 59 equals 236. The sweets would cost £2.36. You only have £2. So you get 2 points out of that question, which I
Well
think,
done, Gemma.
Oh, the recap.
which I
That means
think
Gemma's.
is time for a little recap of the scores. Let's have a little to recap the scores. So currently, oh dear, currently in last place is Mrs. Cunnington with 1 point. Sitting in joint second from bottom, it's Mrs. Morgan and Mr. Roden with 2 points, which means out in the lead, it's Gemma with 3 points.
Oh, it all change so quickly. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it.
Come on, buzzer,
Here we
don't let
go.
me down.
Here we go. Coming up for question number 9, and they're staying hard. Question number 9 says, if my alarm is set for 6:30 a.m, but I press snooze 3 times, and each snooze lasts 7 minutes, what time do I get up? Mrs. Cunnington, you buzzed first. I wonder at home if you can work that out. Pause the video maybe, and see if you can do it before we answer. Mrs. Cunnington.
6:51.
6:51. That was quick maths, wasn't it?
That was quicker than I could read it.
That was quicker. It impacts the scores as well. Let's see if you're right. Here we go. You are indeed correct.
Wow,
3 times 7 minutes is 21 minutes. Add that on to 6:30, you get 6:51 AM. Well done. 2, was that question 9? 1 question to go.
Oh.
1 question to go, would you believe?
This could be tied first.
Would you believe? So, Gemma, you're still out in the lead with 3 points. Everybody else, last position with 2 points. We could have a tie.
You
for
could
the winner.
lose a point, though.
You could lose a point.
Don't
Get this
lose a
question
point.
If you bust too early, Gemma.
Don't be negativity.
wrong. Get this question wrong. You could lose a point.
No.
We could have a new winner. We could have a joint winner.
No.
Here we go.
Glorious.
The pressure is on. It's like the pressure. I mean, in this room, it's like working with. Here we go. Question 10. Here it comes.
Oh.
Oh, who was that?
Actually.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I would like to. No, go on, I'll let the others answer first.
I don't know who buzzed first.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Too many to count.
Oh, Mr. Rowland.
Oh, you're not giving it to me, surely.
I am.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
No, you can't.
No,
That's mine. You stay out of it. No, the 58 is my answer.
What are you going for?
Yep.
68.
Legs, not feet.
No.
Are you looking for the answer 10?
I was going to say 10, but because
But it depends what you would call feet, Mr. Muss. I think
Which
you
answer-
need to be
Which answer are you giving?
clearer in your questioning whether we are about human feet. I mean, I'm a horse, so technically I should.
the animals, okay.
No.
So your questioning is very.
Right, to be
Very
honest, you've all
confusing.
overthought this, and actually I got the answer wrong in the first place.
I mean, these would be legs, wouldn't they?
I was going to
They'd
say
be legs.
But under that unit there is 6 feet.
Yes.
They're wheels. Right, okay. Well, I'm going to scrap question number 10 because that just went into ridiculousness. I would have taken the answer 10.
Oh, well, I did say 10.
But you know you didn't. You said, "Are you going to?"
You had the chicken legs and the cow legs and all that.
Yeah, but I didn't know who was coming dressed as animals, so I'm going to ask. I'm going to ask one more question. I'm going to ask a question. I haven't got
Let me
this
get a
correct.
clear piece of paper.
So you're going to have to
Right,
Uh,
first, then for the
think
buzzer.
about it first. Let me just work out what I want to do. Is that no? That doesn't help me.
You might have to say it.
Yeah, I am going to say it, but I can put it on the screen. I've just got to remember what I'm doing.
I
There we
think
go.
you should have to write the answer.
Right,
down
okay.
first, then push the button.
Question 10A is going to be there we go. Are you ready?
Cockerel.
Oh, no. They can't see it at home yet.
Oh, okay. Well, just to let you know, I have got a written answer.
I've got a written answer.
Right. Are you ready? Question 10A, and I'm going to take the buzzer. Right, I'll tell you what. Whoa. Right. Stand up. Everybody stand up. Tuck your chair in.
Yeah.
Press the back. I'm going to say.
Oh, but
No. I'm going to say go. When I say go, first person to sit down in their chair, tucked under the table, and then press the buzzer with their head,
this is
is going to be the person I'm going to
His
take.
head in nose
With your head. Right, if you want to move your buzzer to the middle of your table, you can do that now.
Hang on, let me just.
Right,
Hang on, I'm going to be.
Hang on.
Oh, this is going to hurt.
It's gonna hurt.
Gently. Don't hate yourself. 3, 2, 1, stop! Stop! I said.
They can't see this, I don't think.
They can see it fine.
Can you?
I said stop.
Right.
Go! This is coming to you're going to answer the question. Question 10A is 456 plus 234.
690.
Oh, yeah,
Good, good.
It's wrong anyway.
It's absolutely right. Which means in a bombshell, it means there is a draw.
Oh!
He joined last place.
Enjoying second.
Mrs. Morgan and Mr. Ronan. But he joined first place, Mrs. Cunningham and Gemma. Which means we need a
Oh, a tie. There's a
tie.
speed
No,
round.
we're going to do a tie-break question.
Oh, it could be taken away, Gemma.
I'm going to write.
I think we need to make him do more ridiculous things.
I'm going to write a 5-digit number. I've written a 5-digit number.
Okay.
Right, on my desk. The closest one to that 5-digit number.
Oh, that's impossible. No, that is not.
That's
That's quite nice. So we just guess.
That's a tie-break.
That's great. I love
The closest person to that number, I'm going to change it.
Oh.
Without going above, is the winner. So if you go too high, you're done for.
5-digit number.
5 digits.
I'm joining in just for fun.
You can join in just for fun. You don't have to buzz. What you need to do though, is you need to hold up your 5-digit number so we can see.
That's a bit small. I'm going to write it bigger.
Okay? So Gemma has got 51,643. Oh!
too large.
Look at that.
What did you?
Mine's got a sad face on, so then mine doesn't actually count.
Before for you at home, you'll see it as soon as I say. Before I click add for the quiz team, they can't see it. So don't cheer and shout until I click the add button.
Right.
It comes on their screen.
They didn't
Otherwise
see us
won't
turn.
know.
They didn't see us turn around, then, did they?
Yeah, they did say all of that. They can see all of that. They just can't see my screen on top. So the answer I was looking for.
Oh! What are you, Gary?
I'm miles out.
The answer. I said don't say anything until I pressed add.
We didn't. We went. Ooh, no.
The answer I was looking for was 68,762,
Oh!
which means Gemma is the winner.
That was a psychic skills. So that was
Well done. Oh, look, that's a better answer, wasn't it?
How many sounds have you
Well
actually
done.
managed to use in your quiz? And how many sounds you managed to get in there?
We could do some more. I don't know what else you've got really. I've got banana peel. And some kids laughing. Little drop clip.
Are we still recording?
Yeah, we're still recording.
Okay.
I'm just sharing with you all things with bicycles. Rock and feel.
Right, so when is it our turn to be the quiz?
Right, well those are the sounds we've got for sound effects. Why don't you use the comments below to let us know how you got on, what score you got, and like and share and all those things that YouTube stars always say that I don't really understand. And for every parent everywhere, get off YouTube! Right, see you all soon. Bye-bye.
Bye!